Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's tutorial I will be showing you on how you could go ahead and clear your YouTube cache on your iPhone devices. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. So this is really useful, especially when you're having some connections or some bugs in your YouTube application. To proceed, you want to go ahead and open up your system settings right here, and inside you could just go ahead and scroll down until you find the general settings. Inside general settings, we are here for the iPhone storage. It's just above the background app refresh right here. Now inside, it will go ahead and show us to the applications that we have installed to our iPhone device. And since we want to clear the YouTube cache, we are specifically looking for the YouTube application. And after that, you want to go ahead and click on YouTube. And inside YouTube, you only have two buttons right here. You have the delete application and the offload app. Now, to proceed, just go ahead and click on offload app. Click on, once again, the offload app. You're just confirming that you want to go ahead and clear the cache for this specific application. And now you want to click on reinstall application, and it will reinstall the latest version of the YouTube application. Don't worry, because you won't go ahead and lose any information, or you won't have to go ahead and log in again your YouTube account. So guys, in that way, you will be able to clear your cache on your YouTube application. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time. And as always, thank you.